Is your Kia Forte's alarm randomly going off? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially in 2015-2023 models. The main culprits are usually a faulty door switch, a weak key fob battery, or a glitch in the body control module. First, check each door switch to make sure they are not corroded or dirty. Look for rust where panels meet. Use a multimeter to ensure the switch is working properly. Next, try replacing the key fob battery. A low battery can cause false alarms. Use a CR2032 3V battery. If you're still having problems, a BCM reset might be necessary. This clears glitches in the control module. To reset the BCM, disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This can clear minor software glitches. If problems persist, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for specific BCM error codes, such as voltage issues, P056U. Note that Kia issued recall number 24V345 for 2019-2023 models due to faulty BCM software. Check if your Forte is affected and schedule a free reprogramming at the dealership. For 2022 Plus models, Kia offers OTA updates via its UVO app for remote BCM resets. As a last resort, consult a certified Kia technician. Remember safety first. Disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components.